Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Patreon supporter account to access exclusive content from your favorite creators, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Patreon website or download the Patreon app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address, create a password, and fill in any other required information. Step 3. After completing the registration, Patreon will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for this message. Step 4. Open the verification email from Patreon. The subject line will typically read, "Verify your Patreon account," or "Confirm your email address." Step 5. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the Patreon website and automatically verify your email address. Step 6. Once verified, return to Patreon and log in with your credentials. You can now browse and support creators on the platform. Step 7. To unlock premium content, select a creator you want to support and choose a membership tier that fits your budget. Step 8. Add a payment method to complete your subscription. Patreon accepts credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.